In this step, we're going to add our jade to our rod that already has the blue moon on it, and we're going to take up the rest of the clear space with that, so there will be no clear space where we're making the design on the rod. So we're going to light it up. So yeah, we're going to eliminate all the clear space where I'm going to show you how to do the design here for this one. So yeah, when using the sticker rod here, it's a little bit harder to get the color to go on, but we wanted to cover a larger area, so we're putting it on pretty thick. So we're going on our third stripe here. Yeah, so I could have let the glass get a little bit hotter there to avoid that break. That's pretty much what happened. As I was pushing down, I hadn't heated the glass enough at the contact point there for it to slide, so it just kind of gave way on me. Alrighty. There's our fourth stripe. And we'll get a nice overall, just heat everything up. Alright, now we have both of our colors on there. Yep, that looks about right. Taking up all the space.